Grandpa's Never Died, Riley Green. Really cool country song. I love this. I'm going to break this down into 3 different parts. The verse feel is like this. Now you'll notice I'm playing a G chord, and by the way I'm tuned down half a step, just so you know. Just like Riley. So you can, when you play along the record, you'll be right on. So I got my pinky on my G note, my 3rd finger on the D note, which is both the 3rd fret of the E and B string respectively. And then the rest is like a regular G chord. So the reason I mention that is because in this song he does this. And that's the verse feel. The B section, okay, it goes to a D chord. I wish everybody knew all the words to Mama. That's a C ninth. Okay, C add 9 actually. And this is a cool chord because you got a D here, but just like a C chord, except you got this, which again is those 2 notes that I had on the G chord. So it makes it really easy. And if you got that, you can hit that C chord, C add 9. That's that twice. And then the 3rd part of the song, of course, is the chorus. I wish. E minor, D, C. That's that C add 9. Down here, then E minor, D, I wish honky tonks didn't have no clothes in town. I wish Grandpa never died. Okay, so those are the 3 parts of the song. Now what he does do though, he does a couple little breakdowns. At the end, he does a little solo thing, and I believe the solo is actually over the chorus, so it goes. And then he does the E minor, D, he does a little vamp on it. And there is one little lick that I like where he goes. Breaks down at the end for a final breakdown verse. So if you can get that picking pattern down, pretty basic. It's a really effective little pattern there with that G droning out on the top end. The rest of it is pretty much just how I laid it out. So I wish Grandpa's Never Died. Great song, great lyrics, and a cool dude. Riley Green is the guy that made that famous.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome! Rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.